So hello everyone, just Gaurav here and it's 3:32 in the morning and I gonna show you what are the terminal tools I use which helps me to use the terminal in the better way and the most advanced way possible. The first tool which we gonna discuss is like Yazi. Yazi is like a terminal based file manager and we gonna use Yazi. This is the interface for Yazi. Uh, Folders, I have created two folders, folder 1 and 2. Like I gonna show how I use in order to like perform my task faster, so I can like change the file, simply go in folder 2 and paste, so it already here. So I can delete the file as well, this one as well, and I can go in folder, I can create the folder very easily, like folder 3. So one folder as well, and inside that I can create like the files. I can perform all the functionalities of finder in this and terminal, so it's helped me to be on terminal for the longer time. I have to don't switch between the file manager. So coming to the next tool, which is a Zoxide. Zoxide is like give us some functionality to switch between the directories without giving the full path of the directory. Suppose we have used some directories previously, so if we providing the last part of the directory, it will help us to switch to the directory very easily. Suppose like this is a terminal tools folder in my laptop. I am going in the home directory, and home directory I just want to go into the terminal tools, then I can type tools only, then it will help me to shift to that tools directory. Suppose I am going again and I am pressing terminal tools whole text, then it will also move to the same directory. It will only see what we are like last things we are typing, and then it will help us to move to that directory very easily, so we don't have to like type this entire path. Now the third terminal tool is Lazygit. So I use Lazygit, helps me to like not remember all the git command, uh, and it helps me to manage all the files, all the commits very easily. I always use a Z in order to write the code, and Z does not provide us like git system in order to manage like the that VS Code provide like git integration. So add all these file, then I can simply add all these files to the our git stack. And suppose I have to select only single file, then we can press space in order to like select only single file. First commit all these in order to create the branches. Hit the branches by pressing N, and we can create new branch, and we can work from here, and we can switch the branch as well very easily. We can like see our commit history, and we can stack our changes as well in this. So this tool helped me to manage my git operations. Which terminal I am using? Wisdom is the terminal which I am using currently. So fourth terminal tool is bat. So bat is like suppose I am like most of the time I has to search between, like see some file which I have written in another folder, and I don't want to like open the like VS Code or Z in that directory, like create multiple VS Code in other directories. Like I have to search, like see the some part of code in like another project most of the time. So I use bat to do that inside the folder 2, and inside the folder 2 I am going to edit this index.ts file. So for this uh, so after editing this file, use bat command in order to like see the that file directly in the terminal. All these things from my side. Bye.